everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to groom slash structure your eyebrows like I do here. So if you want to know how I do that, keep watching.
Alright guys, so first things first is you want to moisturize the brow area with any moisturizer will do. And then I take a small angled brush from e.l.f. I believe this one's like $3, I got it at Walmart. Then I go into my Pure Soiree Diaries palette and I pick the color Epic. And yeah, I just go ahead and fill in my brows. This is going to be the most important step when it comes to grooming your eyebrows. You want to fill in the brows because this is going to be the do not touch zone when you actually go to start grooming. Because in my case, you can go a bit overboard, and yeah, I've had that experience before. Not very pleasant. So yeah, fill in those brows. Alright guys, and then you want to grab what is probably the most important tool in this whole video, and that is an eyebrow razor. I believe you can get it at Walmart, dollar stores, CVS, Walgreens, all that stuff. And you just want to go as close to the eyebrow as possible. I find that this is just the most pain-free, affordable way to do my brows. They say if you do shave your face, it does grow back thicker and faster, but I have not found that to be the case. I probably only do my brows probably once a week or a week and a half.
Now I'm going in under my eyebrow right here. So what I like to do for that is I hold my skin, I make it just a little bit tight because this eye area here, just to prevent wrinkles in the future, here's a little tip, is you don't want to stretch this area of your eye that much when you're doing your makeup, because if you think about it, you wear your makeup, I know I do, almost every day. So if every day you're stretching your skin like this, you're actually loosening up the skin and making it so you're more inevitable. You're more prone. You're basically just, creating wrinkles for yourself in the future. So help future self and just don't, stretch your skin out that much. But I just do a little bit of stretching, just a little bit, just like this. And then I take my razor and go in like this. So right here, again, I just do a little tug, and then I just go up, letting the razor create that straight line for me, rather than going this way and hoping that I go straight. A little tug right here, and just a slight movement up, and that's it. So this eyebrow is basically done. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my other eyebrow now. With the power of technology, the other eyebrow will now be done in half a second. Okay guys, so I finished up the other eyebrow. This is the end result. And I feel like it's just as similar as when I have gone out and have gotten my eyebrows waxed in the past. I feel like it has the same end result, actually almost even better, because it's how I want them to look. So when you're having somebody else do your eyebrows for you, you're kind of putting your eyebrows in their hands and hoping and praying it comes out good in the end most of the time. So here, do it yourself. Have them come out the way you know you want them to look, because again, you fill them in first the way you want them to look and how you like your eyebrows to be shaped. So yeah, what I'm using today is actually, I don't know if it's new, but I just got it yesterday from Walmart. It's the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And you guys, your girl has some dark circles. This concealer completely hid the dark circles. It was good. A little bit of a creasing, but nothing too crazy. I really liked it. So anyway, I take the concealer, and what I'll do is I'll just do some dabs. Cool. Alright guys, so off camera I did finish off the rest of my face. Today I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Sugar Kids Highlighter Palette. And I think I'm going to use Starburst. pinky for a little bit. I don't go crazy. Alright guys, well that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it in this eyebrow structuring grooming tutorial. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more from me, hit that bell button if you want to get notified whenever I upload a new video. My new upload schedule is going to be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I'm hoping to keep to that as best as I can. I'm really excited about this new venture in my life of YouTube, and I'm super grateful for everybody who has just encouraged me and subscribed and liked the video already and has been sharing it on Facebook and on Instagram. I can't even express how grateful I am for that, and I'm super excited as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.